Hey, welcome to my flipped classroom. And today's lesson is about addition and subtraction. I presume that you already know what addition and subtraction is, so let me just proceed with the properties of addition. So there are three properties of addition and subtraction. One is the commutative property, the associative property, and the zero property. If you look at other books, you'll find different. There are probably more properties, but for this lesson, I'm just going to be talking about the three. The first one is commutative property. It says that when two numbers are added, the sum is the same regardless of the order of the addends. By the way, what are addends? Addends are actually the numbers that you add. Let's say, for example, 4 plus 2. These are what we call addends. Okay, so remember that. And the answer to the addends, let's say 6, this is what you call the sum, and sometimes you call it total. Okay, and there could be other name for that one. Commutative property, it says that the sum of two numbers are the same regardless of the order. So you can have like 4 plus 2 equals 6, or 2 plus 6 is equal, no, sorry, 4 is equals to 6. And the second one is the associative property of addition. Again, this is very easy. It's more or less the same as the commutative property, but this time there are 3 or more numbers that are added, or addends that are added together. And when you say associative properties, are the numbers are in a way grouped. So if you look at the example, 2 plus 3 here, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 2 plus 3, no, plus 4, but in different parentheses. The answer is still the same. And the last property is called the zero property of addition, which says that the sum of any number and 0 is the original number. So even if I say 1000 plus 0, you don't have to use your brain, you just have to answer 1000 right away. Alright, that's about the properties of subtraction and addition. And now I'm going to be showing you different ways on how to add numbers. The break apart method. Another one is the use of a number line. The next one is called vertical addition. The other one is the algorithm method, and I think the algorithm method is the method that you probably know. The reason why I'm showing this, because I want you to be familiar with different ways of adding. You could probably have learned different ways, but the most important thing is that whatever methods you use, as long as the answer is the same or correct, then that method suits you or you find it easy, then use that method. If you have questions regarding the methods that I'm showing right now, and if you're interested to learn more about the particular method, let me know and we can talk about it in class. So here are some ways to subtract numbers. One strategy you can do is to use the think addition method. The reason being because addition is easier to do than subtraction. And then another one is called the compensation method, and one is the use of negatives. And again, I will not dwell on these different methods. They are self-explanatory. And again, if you have questions in one of the methods, you can actually ask me in class. Now I'm going to show you the method I'm really comfortable using, and this is what you call the column method. And in this method, all you need to do is align all the numbers in the right place value. So in this case, we have 369 plus 462. So the ones place 9 and 2, you just have to align them together. So you have 2 here and 9 here. Then all you have to do is add them simply. So 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. Then you just have to put regroup it. 1 in the tens place. So 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 equals 13. And then regroup again. So you put the 1 to the hundreds place. So that's 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 8. Now to check whether your answer is correct or not, then you just have to do the inverse of addition, which is called subtraction. You just have to write the answer, which is 831 minus any of the addends. So let's say 462. If the answer is 369, then our answer is correct. Let's see. 1 plus 2 is, you can take away 2 from 1, so 1 will have to borrow from 3, so 3 becomes 2, and 1 becomes 11. Now you can take away 2 from 11. 11 take away 2 is equals to 9. Now you can try to, again, you can take away 6 from 2, so 2 will borrow from 8, and 8 becomes 7, and 2 here, and essentially becomes 12. So 12 take away 6 is 6, and then proceed to the tens, hundreds place. We have 7 take away 4 is 3. Then we could say that our answer is correct. That's it for today. I hope you learned something from me, and thank you for tuning in. And if you have questions, ask your mom, ask your dad, ask your classmates, or ask a friend. Don't ask me. Just watch the video again.